Welcome to Pak Mega Store, your one-stop e-commerce solution. We bring the marketplace to your fingertips, offering you an effortless way to start and grow your own online store. We have an exclusive offer for beginners. Whether you're new to e-commerce or looking to expand, our special discounts make it easy for you to get started. Experience the power of arbitrage, dropshipping, and white label services all under one roof. At Pak Mega Store, we manage everything for you, from product sourcing to order fulfillment, so you can focus on growing your business. Check out our demo site to see what your future store can look like. We offer flexible plans to fit your needs, whether you're just starting out or scaling up. All plans include a managed e-commerce website, regular updates, product sourcing, stock management, and much more. With our beginner plan, you can start your journey for as low as 6,000 rupees per year during our pre-launch stage with a 90% discount. Don't miss out on this opportunity. While traditional approaches require technical expertise and high initial costs, Pak Mega Store offers a comprehensive managed solution. We handle everything, allowing you to focus on business growth. Join our journey towards e-commerce success and let Pak Mega Store handle the complexities. Imagine having a dedicated team working tirelessly to ensure your store thrives. Ready to kickstart your e-commerce journey? Visit pakmega.store and fill out the form to get started. Our team will contact you soon. Let's build something amazing together. Pak Mega Store. Your path to e-commerce success starts here. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for future updates about more features.